Hey guys, this is Nick TFT here. This is Nick TFT Vlogs 2. I hope that this video is going to turn out good. So, judging by the fact that you clicked on this video, I am assuming that you wanted to watch what I made. So what I did is I took this and I sharpened it with this. I'm definitely just going to want to show you because I had nothing else to do today. So first, if you have one of these, just ask for parent help or permission. So first, cut off like that. You just want to make sure you get to a nice grip. Just sharpen like that. It's a little while, but once you get the hang of it, you can do a lot more. So to start off, I would go on like a weak part of the wood that you see, don't go straight for the bark, then it just ends up everywhere. So what you want to do is you just want to cut where there's not much wood, or you want to take off the bark and then cut where the wood is. Because if you want to use a couple of parts, you can just do that, or you can just cut it off. And make sure you do sharpen it after using it, and then after that you can apply anything you want. So I'm just going to show you up close.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue,